Welcome, guys! Today, we have the highly anticipated unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro. Let's dive in and see what Apple has packed in the sleek box. As we open the box, we're greeted by the iPhone 15 Pro nestled in its protective covering. The design is stunning, featuring a refined blend of glass and metal. Beneath the phone, we find the usual suspects, the documentation including a quick start guide and the iconic Apple stickers. Now let's uncover the accessories. Here we have the Lightning to USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Now let's return to the star of the show, the iPhone 15 Pro. The stunning Super Retina XDR display promises vibrant colors and sharp details, while the A15 chip ensures smooth performance in every task. And there you have it, the unboxing experience of the iPhone 15 Pro. Stay tuned for our in-depth review where we'll explore the camera capabilities, performance, and all the exciting features this flagship device has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and we'll catch you in the next one.